Hi, my name is Nicholas Swandi, and I'll be presenting an adaptation of a paper titled Effect of Different Oils and Sugar Syrups on the Properties of Kadayif, Traditional Turkish Desert. The author of the paper is Burak Bashar and Hussein Boz. Alright, so let's begin by answering the question, what's Kadayif? Kadayif is a Turkish cuisine that is a semi-processed product prepared by adding wheat flour to water to make a dough, then putting it into a plate to be baked. It can be served hot or cold depending on what you desire. Kadayif is made from Kadayif. So what's the goal of the study? It's to analyze the effect of oils, sunflower oil and hazelnut oil, and sugar syrups, glucose and sucrose, on the sensory and textural properties of Kadayif. So the methodology, also known as the experiment. In the production of Kadayif, 500 grams of Kadayif and 200 grams of oil are blended by hand to make a homogeneous mixture, which basically means to make it evenly mixed. Now, the oil is the one that's going to be altered. I'll show it on the next slide. The mixture of oil and raw Kadayif is then placed in a metal baking tray and pressed for 20 minutes with a 10 kg weight before baking it. After pressing it, it is baked in a convection oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes, and 600 milliliters of cold sugar syrup was added while the Kadayif is still hot. After production, color measurement, texture analysis, and sensory evaluation is done to the samples. So here, these are the composition of oils. Take note that this is going to be tested against either glucose sugar syrup or sucrose sugar syrup, so it's going to be times by 2. And on to the result and discussion. The color. Before we begin, let me explain what L, A, and V is. L refers to lightness. If it's 0, it's black. If it's 100, it's white. A is a red-green axis. Positive means more red, negative means more green. Similar to A, B is a yellow axis. Positive means more yellow, negative means more blue. Now that I've explained that, let me discuss the result. The oils. Using it increases the L color value while decreasing the positive A and B values. Butter, on the other hand, presents a lower L color value, but increases the positive A and B color values. For the syrup, it does not really affect the L and positive B value, but glucose presents a higher positive A value compared to sucrose. And the texture. Oil increases the hardness, butter decreases the hardness, and glucose presents a higher hardness compared to sucrose. And the stickiness is decreased by oil, increased by butter, and sucrose presents a higher stickiness compared to glucose. In short, sensory evaluation is the evaluation of the sensory properties of the food sample, in this case, Kadayif. Here, the best sample was found to have 75% butter and 25% oil. Either sunflower or hazelnut oil works fine. 100% of either butter or oil is not preferred. However, a mixture of oil and butter is preferred over 100%. When combined with oil, butter should not be less than 50% for its sensory properties. For the syrup, sucrose is preferred. And these are the sources. That's all. Thank you very much for watching and listening to my presentation.